be performing the Rainbow Rain science experiment, and I know this will be a super cool one, and I'm saying it from the beginning right now. I hope you like this video. So to do this experiment, you just need oil, a glass of water. If you want to see the coloring better, just tape a white paper on the back of the side you're looking at, like I did right now. You can see there's a paper here. So just get your food coloring and just pour them in or drip them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll just do 5 of each and see how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yellow's turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I forgot, you also need a mixing stick, and sorry, but I forgot to mention this. You need a mixing stick. So after you got that step, you mix it and mix it and mix it until it becomes a dark green. It's not becoming that yet, so I'm thinking that maybe I could add more. Yellow's gone. Try green. 1, 2, 4. Blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Green. Okay. It's sort of a black, like a dark green color now. If you're doing this experiment and you show it at the light, and if you're doing this experiment, the camera will show it as like dark green. But if you look at, if you have sunlight and you look at it, then it's actually just tiny blobs of food coloring. I'll just add a little bit more blue because that's my favorite color. Whatever, blue ran out. At least I got a little drop on that one. Okay, so when you're finished making that, then get your water, and pour the oil in, and it'll immediately go up, and you will see. And in a little while, you will see food coloring popping. It'll take a little while, probably. Take a little while. Oh, it's starting to go. It's starting to go. Look at this. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. You can see food coloring are starting to pop. That's why it's called the Rainbow Rain science experiment, because it's like raining with rainbow colors. I wonder why the greens are falling first instead of the blues. That's weird, in my opinion. There's not much yellow because as you saw, I ran out of yellow. So, yeah. Oh, it's starting to really rain. Oh, this is unbelievable. Here's another view of it. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. You can see the oils hanging out there. A lot of green. Okay, so that was the experiment. Hope you liked it. And please subscribe to my channel, and for more science videos, check out my channel, All Penguins Club, and please subscribe. Shh.